All right, come along with me to do my Saturday errands. The first stop is going to be the thrift store. The colors of the day are yellow, green, blue, and red. I did see these little kitten heels. I thought they were cute. Are these considered kitten heels? This is my OOTD. Everything is thrifted except for the boots. Look at these moon boots, y'all. Is that what they're called? Moon boots? I don't know. That's what they look like to me. Moon boots. I thought these were interesting nonetheless. Moon boots or not. I did like these lace shoes by Jessica Simpson. I don't need any more shoes. I don't need any more black shoes, especially. These Sam Edelmans, though, were really nice. They were giving me like a, maybe like a Gucci inspiration with the horse bit type of design on the top. This yellow blazer jacket, whatever, it was really nice. I did like this bomber jacket as well. I think this was from like Shein or Pretty Little Thing. This thrift store, y'all, is becoming increasingly filled with fast fashion. As I always tell you all can find ties from the thrift store. Don't sleep on the ties. Patriots is my husband's favorite team, so I did pick that up for him. Y'all, look at this suede jacket. I really did like this, but we don't need another suede, another leather, another nothing. But this chocolate one, I almost had an exception to that little rule that I just said before about us not needing anything, because this chocolate brown blazer was really nice, and this gray one as well. I don't ever recall seeing a gray blazer or leather piece in the thrift store. And then y'all, look at these pants. I know these are motorcycle pants, but you can double these as regular pants, especially with the corset design going down the side. This thrift store does have pretty good furniture. I always take a look at their stemware. These glasses were really nice. If you were having like a brunch or something, those would be really nice to use to serve your guests with. And y'all, look at all these kimonos that somebody donated. These were like all over the store. I saw these in 3 different places in the store, like clusters of them. So in the store this day, they probably had to have at least 20. Then this shirt, y'all, I thought this was cute. It wasn't my style, but I know that a lot of the girlies do like clothing pieces that have like the furry accents or whatever. This was really cute, y'all. I think this was by Fashion Nova, if I'm not mistaken. And then y'all, this Bob Mackie piece. This is a Bob Mackie from his wearable art line. It's kind of equivalent to like the Michael by Michael Kors or Steve by Steve Madden, you know, one of those. And then y'all, look at this rainbow sequin pant set. Now you can definitely wear this somewhere. You can split the pieces up even. Yeah, it wasn't my style, so I left it. This would be cute to wear to the Cowboy Carter concert for somebody. I mean, I can't get not even a leg in it, but, you know, I thought it was cute. Then I'm headed off to the hair salon. My hair looks so bad, y'all, but hair came out fly. Then I went to Tropical Smoothie. Tropical Smoothie was right around the corner from the hair salon. And then this bakery, y'all, this is a Black-owned, woman-owned bakery. When I tell you these pastries were so good, and I was told that the pastry chef trained in Paris. Y'all, I saw an estate sale when I was on my way home after leaving the bakery, and of course I had to stop. This estate sale, to me, in my opinion, the things there were kind of overpriced. The person who to whom these items belong did have some great items. This was a really nice curio cabinet. That glass, or the etching on that glass, was really nice. Y'all, I ain't gonna tell y'all I almost dropped that bowl. I did. I quickly put it back. Then I went over to City Thrift because my girl Karen, Miss Glam Doll, in my last mini vlog, she asked about that purple fur jacket. I told her I would go back to take a look to see if they still had it, and if they still had it, I would pick it up. I would pick it up for her. And of course, in true fashion, it was gone. It was nowhere to be found. I even walked the store to see if they had it in another section. Then I headed on over to Nordstrom because my husband saw this tobacco vanilla cologne that he wanted to try. Girl, the essay was being stingy. She did not want to give me a sample. And I know at Nordstrom, if you ask, they're supposed to give it to you. But whatever. That rose perfume from Tom Ford, it had almost like a Delina nod, but way more spicy. Those Kurt Geiger shoes were cute. And then these boots, somebody again could pair it with something to wear down to the Cowboy Carter child. Then these Tory Burch shoes, these, what do y'all call, dad sandals, those were kind of cute. But this necklace right here, this necklace looks so real. I even had to stop and take a look at it because it looks so real. Y'all remember last year when I thrifted that Canali suit for like $7.99? See how much it is here in the store? Then I went over to Habitat Restore. I think they have these like all over. Y'all know I'm redoing 2 rooms in my house, and I just kind of wanted to see what they had. Now, this store, not this store, but this chain of stores, Habitat Restore, they have excellent chandeliers that are really, really high quality. I wasn't in the market for a chandelier, so of course I didn't need anything, but the lighting in general is really, really good. I did like these. Now, I did almost pick this up to put it in my bathroom downstairs, and now that I'm thinking about it, I might actually go back and get that because I really did like the matte black on it. Why didn't I get it? Now that I'm looking at it, I don't know. This one was nice too, y'all. It had like a maybe like a farmhouse type decor design to it. And y'all, eventually I'm gonna be redoing my master bathroom, and I want me a new tub. I thought this was interesting. I kind of want a claw tub, but not really. And you can see this store is humongous. They have everything in here from towel to child. Literally, they have they sell bedding for like if your dogs want to sit, or if you need a new bed for your dog, they have it in this store. Paint, wash and dryers, everything. Then I went back by Fresh Fields because on my last mini vlog, y'all saw me buy that apple cider, which is aka apple juice, fresh apple juice. My son loved it and asked me to buy some more. They had their grapes out. I told y'all before I don't like mushy grapes. These grapes were really crunchy and really good. I got me an avocado because I think I want to try to make me a salmon bowl. And then, y'all, I headed on over to Fresh Market. I was about to say Fresh Fields again. I went to Fresh Market to get my husband some crab cakes. He has been eating their crab cakes for years, and they go on sale over the weekend. This was my total, and that was my mini vlog for this week, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!